Here I have a BLACKVIEW BV9000 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome, so let me open Google Apps and then select Chrome. And now you have to tap on more icon, which is a 3 dots one in upper corner, and select History. And now you can either delete each site by tapping on the bin icon, or you can clear all browsing data by tapping on this option, so it's Clear Browsing Data. Now from those options, from Basic and Advanced option, you can select the one that suits you mostly. So I would like to clear browsing data, delete cookies and cache images and files. So let's go to Advanced, and you can also select if you would like to delete passwords, autofill from data, site settings and media licenses. So I would like to delete all of them. So as you can see, everything is ticked, and also you have to decide from which period of time you would like to delete those information. So in time range you can select the time of deleting. So it can be last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last month, so last 4 weeks, or from all times from the beginning. So let me pick all time. And then once everything is set up, just tap on Clear Data. Wait a short while, and from now on, your history is empty, so there is no data in your browsing history. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.